I got my trial version of Pro 2021. It's ought to be pretty much like 2020. It's going to take an exterior wall and draw it. In this case, I want masonry, so I'm going to take that wall. I can change the defaults, but this is a little bit quicker. I'm just going to change it to brick 4. And use this same wall type handle to and create more. Okay, now I got a little house. Excuse me. And I'm going to put a window in it. Actually, you probably want to do this. Well, let me just do it the proper way. I'm going to go to window defaults. And the exterior casing I'm going to remove. And okay, under lintel, I want an exterior lintel. I want it 8 inches tall. And I'm going to go to the library and there's not a lot of choices in here for, I just want something kind of rectangular. I've already told it to be 8 inches. Now on the sill, I'm going to go to the sill tab and uncheck apron. That's that little trim underneath the sill. And then I'm going to go to the library. And again, pick out something relatively appropriate. Again, I'm looking, they don't have a molding profile that really looks like a brick sill. So let's see, I did this a moment ago. I forgot what I picked. I think it's just no, that's all too ornate for masonry. I need something basically, maybe that'll work. Let me see how that looks on the window here. No, it's too small. That's really a little too large, but now see, there's not a lot of parameters. The molding profile comes in the shape that it is. It's pre-made, and Cheap Architect Premier, you can make your own, which I've made slanted brick ledges and things that are dedicated for this purpose. Now I'm going to go over to options and not recess it, and then I'm going to go to materials, and I want the material here and here. See, the exterior material is called red brick something or other. Here's the moldings. I'm going to click on that one, hit the control key and get that one. Just do them both at the same time. We'll go to library materials, masonry and stone, bricks. And we'll find red brick coarse. Wait a minute, is that the white one? I think it's this one, yeah. Okay, you can see the lines in vector view are going the wrong direction. That's what I'm going to show you next. Now I've got the default set for this masonry house. And voila. Okay, now in the vector view camera, I'm going to change to vector view. See, the lines are going in the wrong direction. So there's a couple of things I like to do with brick and with brick coarse. I'm going to use this tool here, adjust material definition. Click on the brick. I'm going to change the line style from gray to black. It just prints better in black and white. You see the lines turn black. And on this, I'm going to do the same thing, but we'll change the lines to black. And I'm also going to change in vector view, the vector view pattern from 90 degrees to 0 degrees. And then we'll switch the camera type to vector view, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm going to turn the color off. like if you're going to print in black and white, that's what it would look like. It looks fine. It doesn't look, I didn't mean to do that. If you look at it from the edge, it's not quite as realistic as it needs to be, but we're talking Home Designer Pro, not Cheap Architect Premier. Had to pay considerably more to get refined customizations that you might want to do. But that's basically it. That's one way to do it. Now, Eric mentioned using a backsplash tool, and you can do that. And I think it's a little more complicated than this. This is reasonably okay, and it communicates soldier cores and sill cores just fine. And for $500 software, I think that's good enough. You may have a different opinion. Anyway, hope this helps you. Whether it does or not, have a great day.